Alright, now once we have written down all the information, I'll select all the text and I'll bring it down a bit like this, so we can have some gap over here. And with this, first of all, I need to check that these are not aligned at all. You can see this one is in over here, these are out. So what I'll do, I'll select all the texts like this, and then I can go to this modify menu and I can come to this align. So here are many different options: align, left, center, right, top, bottom. So as for this one, I want all the text to be aligned in the center, okay, or either on the left side. Okay, so if I'll choose left one, so all will be aligned to the left. So first start with the left one and see if we'll get the result. So I'll choose align left, and this seems about right, that all the text have been aligned on the left side properly. Okay. Now next thing which I want to do one more thing over here, that you can see that in between the text that this gap is varying. So here it's too much, here it's quite less, and here is it's uh, this also uneven. Okay, this is varying from this one and this one. So if you want to distribute equal amount of space in between the multiple selection, you can still go to that modify and align, and here we have these two options: distribute horizontally and distribute vertically. So these texts are aligned vertically, so I'll choose this one, and we will see that now it has made the changes and all four text has equal amount of gap in between. So this is also good. Now the design part is almost done. Only one thing which I want to do is just to bring out more of the design aspect. What I'll do is I will add some icons over here which will relate more to us, because right now I cannot see that this is okay. I'm now figuring out that this is email, but it should indicate, it should show as well that this is that email it is written. This is the address which is written. This is the website. So what I'll do, I'll come to the file menu and I'll go to the import, go over here, and I'll go to the folder where I have already created some of these icons. So here I have these icons which I'm going to use into the visiting card. So first of all, for the email, I have this icon. So I'll select this, I'll open it up, and you can see that this is also a PNG image which I have carefully created earlier, and I'll scale it down like this, bring it over here, and I'll align this carefully with my email like this. Okay. Next, I have the address. So for address, I have this location sort of icon. So I'll open it up, and this is way too big. So this also I need to scale down. All right. So maybe I have scaled it way down, so it has reverse and looks upside down. So no need to worry. We can do it again. Oops. And I will align this also with the text like this. Next, I have the add website. So for website, I have this icon. Let's quickly scale down this as well. And last one is the contact numbers. For that also have the icon. So this I'll also carefully align with this one like this. Okay. Now again, if you look over these, so these are not aligned properly. So I'll select these also, and I'll go to the modify, and in the line I will choose align center first. Okay, because text looks good when it is aligned to the left, but usually we should go aligning all the things in the center. So that's why I have chosen this one, and let's adjust it because these icons are not looking of the same size. So this one is a bit bigger, so I'll reduce it. All right. Hmm. Now let's select these icons again. Now all seems about almost of equal size. So, yes, all are selected. We'll go to modify, align, and align center first. Oops. So one mistake we have not observed, that all the icons have been selected with the bigger rectangle also. So we will deselect that, or rather from the layer panel I can now from the layers panel I can easily make the selection, bring it towards here, modify first of all line center, which is already there. Now second thing which I want to do is I want to distribute them vertically. So this is also done. Now just carefully make the adjustment, and this seems about right. Maybe it's going a bit upwards. This seems about right. So if I'll zoom out now, so this visiting card is looking good. Now here again, if you feel like you need to make some adjustments. So I think this logo and brand name is looking quite small over here. So I'll select this now and I'll scale it up a bit. Yeah, that seems about right. So this is how you can work and you can create a decent and professional looking visiting card. I hope by this you have learned something new, and now it will be easier for you to create wonderful visiting card design. Thank you.